First look. Hands-on with Apple's iPhone 14 lineup. Apple has 4 new phones. The standard iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus, and the high-end iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. We got a chance to check them all out ahead of their release. Here's what we think. The wait for new iPhones is over. The rumors circulating over the last few months were all over the place. Would the iPhone 14 have a notchless screen and an always-on display? Does the star-filled, far-out invitation mean the satcom era of Apple technology is upon us? Did the iPhone mini get put out to pasture? Okay, so most of those rumors were actually more or less true, but it was still cool seeing the 4 new iPhones in person at Apple's launch event in Cupertino. After the event concluded, it was pretty telling that the iPhone 14 Pro side of the hands-on demo table was almost impossible to get to. Most of the cool new advances are happening on the Pro end, and that's what most of the crowd was interested in. But not everyone is going to pick the pricier Pro lineup over the standard iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus, so we got our hands on all 4 models to give you our first impressions.